If you're old enough, you'll remember this. Going to an actual physical shop and renting out DVDs. How quaint. Companies like Blockbusters died because of the growth of an upstart, Netflix. First, you could order DVDs online, but in 2007...
The BBC interrupts its regular programming to bring you emergency information. Please stand by. The BBC interrupts its regular programming to bring you emergency information. Please stand by. A few moments ago, a meteor crashed into the middle of the North Sea, causing a wide-scale tsunami reaching 50 feet high. Major cities of the UK are at high risk, including Edinburgh, London, Cardiff, Manchester and Birmingham. Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Belgium and the Netherlands are also at high risk. The tsunami is moving so fast that it has become too late to evacuate. Head to the nearest underground shelter with food and water to last for 4 days. The tsunami will hit the UK in 90 seconds. The BBC thanks you for your cooperation. Stay calm and we will update you via radio when it is safe to